The 15th determiner we will deal with in this class is the ordinal number. We took a look at it as the 5th determiner, but let's study once again. The ordinal number specifies the object with the order according to the intention of the speaker. The ordinal number that has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object whose order is given by the speaker. The agreement on the order arranged by the speaker from the participants in the conversation is the premise to apply the ordinal number. The fact that the object is specified with the ordinal number means that the object is specified by the speaker. Because the object specified by the determiner, the ordinal number. So, the object specified by the ordinal number that has the trait as the determiner is signified by the predeterminer the as the object is already specified in the conversation. The object indicated by the ordinal number that has the trait of the pronoun is signified by the predeterminer the as the specified object in the conversation. There is a clause. The first student came early. The object indicated by the general noun student is specified into the object assigned the order from the speaker among the other objects indicated by the general noun student with the description of the determiner first. The object is specified with the ordinal number first, so the object is distinguished from the other object indicated by the same noun, student. The predeterminer the specifies one of the objects indicated by the phrase of the noun, first student, to signify that the object indicated by the phrase of the noun, first student, is identified in the conversation between the speaker and the listeners. The second exemplary clause is about the ordinal number that has the trait of the pronoun. The object indicated by the pronoun first is the object specified by the ordinal number as the determiner first. The pronoun first to indicate the object in the assigned order by the speaker indicates the specified group of the objects defined to have the characteristic in common with the description of the determiner the. The collective noun indicates a group of objects the same features. The first indicates the group of objects that are assigned by the speaker with the order. The phrase of the pronoun the first indicates the group of the objects to share the same features as the phrase of the collective pronoun. So, the phrase of the pronoun, the first, has the role as a phrase of the collective pronoun to indicate the group that shares the same characteristic. The 16th determiner we will study in this class is the numerical number. The numerical number specifies the object with the number of the object. The premise that the numerical number as a determiner to specify the object is that the object is indicated by a general noun because the general noun indicates an object whose unit to count the object is agreed in a linguistic group. The numerical number has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object to signify the number of the object. The numerical number that has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object with the number. The object indicated by the numerical number as a pronoun is classified into two. The indefinite pronoun one to indicate an object instead of the abstract noun, the proper noun, or the material noun, because the unit to indicate an object is not agreed. Let's review an abstract noun, a proper noun, or a material noun. The object indicated by the abstract noun, the proper noun, or the material noun is uncountable because the unit of the object is not agreed. So, the people in the linguistic group think of the unit differently. The people in the linguistic group indicate an object whose unit is not agreed as one. The object that can be seen as one or two or three by each speaker in the linguistic group because the unit is not agreed. However, the speakers in the linguistic group consider the object as one. One of the first numerical number 1 as a pronoun indicates the object. The indefinite pronoun 1 also indicates an object indicated by the general noun whose unit is agreed in the linguistic group. With the consideration, the fact that the indefinite pronoun 1 indicates an object instead of the abstract noun, the proper noun, or the material noun, the object can be instead of the general noun to indicate the object revealed as the number of the object is 1 by the agreed unit. And the pronouns 2, 3, and etc. to indicate the object instead of the general noun to indicate the object revealed as the number of the object are plural. There is a clause. The speaker who wants to specify an object with the determiner all 1 with the focus. The speaker wants to emphasize that the object specified by the determiner all is indefinite. Whatever object that is defined with the features to define the general noun can be specified by the determiner all. The speaker who wants to emphasize the number of the object as 1 specifies the object with the determiner with one of the numerical number 1. There is a clause. The one desk is in a classroom. The object indicated by the general noun desk is specified into the object whose number is 1 with the description of the determiner 1. The object indicated by the phrase of the general noun one desk is specified into the object distinguished from the other object whose number is 1 in the conversation between the speaker and the listeners. The numerical number that has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object with the number. There is a clause. The two are in a classroom. The numerical number 2 as the pronoun indicates the object whose numbers are 2. The determiner the specifies the object indicated by the pronoun to as the identified object in the conversation between the speaker and the listeners, because the pronoun to indicates the entire object whose numbers are 2. The specification by the numerical number 1 is limited to the object indicated by the general noun desk. The numerical number 2 indicates the object whose number are 2. Any objects are okay if the objects are identified as 2. As a determiner has the trait of the pronoun, the noun also has the trait as a determiner. The phenomenon that a noun specifies the range of the other noun can be identified with the determining noun. The first noun stated ahead of the second noun in the phrase of the nouns has the trait of a determiner to specify the range of the object indicated by the second noun. The determining noun at first specifies the range of the noun stated at second. There are 2 examples. The phrase of the nouns family name. The phrase of the nouns family name consists of the determining noun family and the general noun name. The determining noun family specifies the range indicated by the general noun name. There are names, family name, first name, second name, middle name, and etc. The determining noun family specifies one of the objects among the objects indicated by the second noun name. The second example is Sammy the salmon. I refer this phrase of the nouns from a song, The Salmon Dance of Chemical Brothers. The proper noun Sammy specifies one of the objects indicated by the phrase of the noun, the salmon. The salmon is one of the collective noun. The phrase of the salmon indicates a group of objects that the features to define the general noun salmon. Any object, the features to be defined as a general noun salmon. The group. So, the proper noun Sammy specifies one of the objects with the identity, because the proper noun is defined with the object's own identity.